Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz ML550, the W164. And today I'm going to be sharing a solution with you guys that a lot of these Mercedes models have, including the E-Class, CLS, and the ML, and that is the faded pillars. So here's my solution, and the thing that I do with all these faded pillars on my Mercedes-Benz is these kits come in either glossy black or chrome, and I'll have them linked down below in my description box. So if you guys also want to make this change on your Mercedes-Benz, please check out the links down below. And now let's get started with the installation. So in order to install these pillars, you're going to want to get a microfiber cloth and then ensure that the surface is completely clean and dry. I've already cleaned it, but make sure there's no debris or anything on it because it's going to affect the adhesive when you install it. So same thing right here. Once it's all clean, the red side is going to be facing the car, just like so. So this one fits. So what we're going to do now is remove the red protective layer. With it removed, I'm going to align it up properly. And the biggest tip I have for you guys on this installation is never completely push it down. Just align it correctly, because once you push it down, it's not going to come off. I like it where it's at. I'm going to completely push it down. And the difference is astounding. That just looks 100 times better compared to this faded, dull looking pillar right here. So I'm going to replace these as well and share with you guys my final results. And here are the final results. And now I'm going to show you guys the before side on how it was originally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a like and share. And if you guys also want to get rid of that ugly appearance of the pillars, then please check out the links down below in my description box, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.